In this video, we're going to talk about how to merge cells in multi-set Excel. We have opened a spreadsheet. We have a table here, and this is our title, Profit Calculation Sheet. But it does not look very good. We need to put the headline in center. So select the area that we want to merge, and go to this area under Home tab, and select Merge and Center. The headline is pressed in center. It looks good. Just follow it a little bit, and rest of the table looks good. So there are other type of merging options. If we want to create some space horizontally, then select a certain space in Perfect. Go and select merge across. So some spaces are created horizontally. You can put longer sentence here or longer figures here. If you don't like the merging, and go to the previous stage, just select the merged area and click here, select unmerge cell. There is another option which is called merge cell. So what does it do? Just select the area and click merge cell. So it creates more spaces for you. You can put longer sentence or any figures or any equations here. However, there is a precaution with merging cells. Here we have, look at this value. Here we have order ID, order quantity, unit price, gross profit. If we merge these four cells, what does it happen? See, if we select merge center, then a sign will appear. What does it tell? It tells merging cells only keeps the upper left value and discard other values. If you press OK, then only the top left values will remain and all the other values are deleted here. That's it.